You were laughing by your locker, markers on your wrist, little hearts and stars. I was shaking, hands in pockets, rehearsed the words 1,000 times so far. I said, do you wanna go out sometime? You smiled so white, said, boy, I thought you'd never ask. We were spinning in the hallway like the world finally cut me some slack. You said yes and my chest caught fire. Every fear just fell apart in my hands. You said yes, you said yes, you said yes, and I thought I finally stood a chance. Walking out the front doors, sunlight on your hair like a perfect frame. You were drawing little circles on my palm while you whispered my name. I said, tonight, you laughed and said, I've been waiting for this day. We were dancing by the buses, every blue in my head turned golden gray. You said yes and my voice got quiet. You pulled me in like you already knew. You said yes, you said yes, you said yes, and my whole life rushed toward you. Then my 8 o'clock alarm went off, cracked through the dream like glass. Your yes still ringing in my ears as the echo faded fast. Cold sheets, empty bedroom, just the ceiling staring back at me. All I ever get to touch is the ghost of what will never be. I said, do you wanna go out sometime? To a picture on a screen that can't reply. I was reaching for a memory of a world that never opened its eyes.